Get ready for an exhilarating addition to your gunplay collection with the release of the premium Bandai high-grade Future Century Dragon Gundam, scheduled for November 2024. This model celebrates the 30th anniversary of the beloved anime series Mobile Fighter G Gundam and is priced at 3,960 yen. The Dragon Gundam stands out with its intricate design, capturing the essence of the iconic mobile suit with remarkable detail. The model's color scheme is meticulously divided into finely detailed parts, ensuring a faithful representation of the original. One of the most impressive features is the core lander, which can be separated and transformed into its hyper mode, adding to the model's versatility. The Dragon Claw, a signature weapon of the Dragon Gundam, is fully extendable, allowing for dynamic action poses. The head, equipped with highly articulated ball joints, enhances flexibility and movement, and the ultra-hard cutter at the tip can be displayed in its extended state by swapping parts. The model comes with various effect parts to recreate the true meteor butterfly sword and other iconic attack modes, allowing fans to display the Dragon Gundam in numerous battle-ready stances. An action base is included to support these poses, making it easier to recreate memorable scenes from the anime. This special release also features original gimmicks conceived by director Yasuhiro Imagawa, complete with unique effects that make the Dragon Gundam stand out in any collection. The package includes a full set of accessories, such as the Felong flag effect parts, Dragon Claw extension parts, and more, ensuring that every detail of the Dragon Gundam is faithfully reproduced. What do you think about this upcoming premium Bandai model, and could it find a place in your model collection? Please leave your review in the comments below.